everyone, I'm going to be teaching you how to make an alicorn with a book. And if you want these flakes on it, you could wait until the end. So first you need a piece of paper and you fold it like this. And you do it again. Then you unfold all the stuff that you just did. Then you fold it like this. Then you do it again. After that, you unfold it again. Then you fold it like this. Then you get the scissors. And cut these 3 lines. After that, you open it up and you get the scissors again. And you cut the line right here. After that, you fold these that are right here, like this. Then you flip it over. After that, you get these and you fold it like this. After that, you fold it again. You're almost done with the book. Just you do that and you put these pages here. And then you flip this page here. It can somehow turn out like this with some crickets around it. Just don't care about that. It could turn out smooth like this one, or it could turn crooked like this one. And next, if you want an alicorn with snowflakes, I can teach you how to do that right now. Let me do it on this one. So you need some yellow paper. Sorry, just a lot. You get the scissors. You just do a triangle, a regular one, and you start smoothing it out until it's very like pointy and it looks like more like a cone. After that, you get a black marker and you put lines on the triangle. You can put 3 or how many you want. After that, you get the glue. The line that you put right here, you're going to just put the glue on the bottom. You can kind of see it. After that, you're going to make the eyes. The eyes are easy. You just like make a U, but just a little squished. Make a squished U and just make the eyelashes. After that, you get a pink marker and you just draw 2 circles colored in the sides like this. And you're done, but if you want some wings, you can have some wings. Okay, we do it. Okay. You could do any color you want. I'm gonna be doing pink. And you just cut in half oval. If you wanted the same size, you could also just bend the paper and do a regular half oval and it'll be the same size, but I'm not doing it the same size. And then you get the glue again, and then you put some right here. After that, you put it right here, and you do that. Then you just put glue on there again, and you could just slide it in here, which is very easy. After that, if you want it to just be a little bit more small, you can. I'm fixing it right now. Then you get the black marker again, and you start on drawing like this. After that, you could do it again. Ta-da! And if you want it to have these flakes, I could teach you right now. You get some tissue paper and you just cut, like, I would probably say 3 strands. And you keep on cutting until you have 3 strands, and you will be gluing it on like the first page. If you want 6, you glue mostly 3 because toilet paper has 2 layers. So yeah, so you get it open and you glue this right here. This is just a 1 piece because I showed you that it had 2 pieces. That's the one that I'm using right now. It's totally normal if you just get a piece and you just glue it and it comes off and just 1 piece is there. It's fine with that because, yeah, we could now just put another layer on top and put that one up there. And you get another one, you report it, you put it on, and you put another one on too. Oh my gosh, I don't have enough glue. Okay. Then you just close the book, and voila.